Today we are going to discuss about what is life. The study of life is called biology. The definition of life has stumped thinkers in many fields for many centuries. 18th century French physician Mère Francois Xavier Bichat poetically but imprecisely once said, "Life is the ensemble of functions that resist death." One way to define life is to list its basic components. The cell is the basic unit of life. Every organism consists of one or more cells. Every cell contains an outer membrane that separates it from its surroundings. Inside the membrane, there is water, proteins, organelles, and biochemicals. One of those biochemicals is a deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, an information molecule. Since putting DNA, water, proteins, and a membrane in a test tube does not create artificial life, a concise definition continues to elude us. But scientists have settled on 5 qualities that in combination constitutes life. The 5 qualities that constitute life are organization, energy use, maintenance of internal constancy, reproduction, growth and development, evolution. Let's first talk about how life is organized. Living matter consists of parts organized in a particular 3-dimensional relationship. This organization often follows a hierarchical pattern of structures. Bichat, whom we had met earlier, had developed the idea that organs are collections of disparate tissues rather than entities in themselves. Therefore, life is organized in levels, that is, biosphere, ecosystems, community, population, organism, organ system, organs, tissues, cells, organelles. Now let's talk about how life maintains internal constancy. An important characteristic of life is the ability to sense and react to stimuli. The other characteristic is to maintain internal constancy. The condition inside a cell must remain within a constant range even in the face of drastic changes. Cells must also take in nutrients, excrete waste, and regulate its many chemical reactions to prevent deficiencies or excesses of essential substances. The state of internal constancy or equilibrium is called homeostasis. Now let's talk about how life reproduces itself, grows, and develops. Organisms reproduce, making other individuals like themselves. Reproduction transmits DNA from generation to generation. Reproduction occurs in 2 basic ways, asexually and sexually. After an organism is conceived by any of the 2 ways of reproduction, it will aim to develop or simply get bigger, stronger, and resilient. Let's talk about how life evolves. One of the most intriguing ideas in biology is how organisms can seem to perfectly suit to their environment. The answer lies in adaptations. The plethora of adaptations which are shaped by natural selection. Natural selection is one mechanism of evolution, although evolution can happen in many ways. In summary, as we review what life is, keep in mind that the characteristics can be seen in inanimate objects. For example, rock crystals are highly organized, but they are not alive. A computer responds to stimuli, as does a self-opening trash can, but neither is alive. Therefore, all life has the 5 qualities mentioned and explained. These qualities shape the answer of what life is.